Configuring CyberScout identity theft insurance is a straightforward process that provides individuals with robust protection against identity theft and related financial losses. To begin, it is essential to understand what CyberScout offers, which includes comprehensive monitoring, alerts, and support in the event of identity theft. First, enroll in the CyberScout program through your employer, insurance provider, or by purchasing a plan directly from CyberScout. You will receive a welcome package or an email with instructions on how to activate your membership. Next, log in to the CyberScout website or mobile app to set up your account. You will need to provide some personal and financial information to enable monitoring. This typically includes your name, address, social security number, and other identifying details. After setting up your account, review and confirm your personal and financial information to ensure accuracy. CyberScout will then begin monitoring your credit reports, public records, and the internet for any suspicious activity. One of the key features of CyberScout is its alert system. You can customize your alert preferences to receive notifications via email or phone if any suspicious activity is detected. This could include new credit inquiries, changes to your credit report, or potential identity theft. In addition to monitoring and alerts, CyberScout provides access to dedicated fraud specialists who can assist you in the event of identity theft. These specialists will guide you through the process of resolving the issue and provide support to minimize any financial losses. To maximize the benefits of CyberScout, it is crucial to regularly review your account activity and monitor your credit reports. You should also take advantage of the educational resources provided by CyberScout to learn more about identity theft protection and best practices for safeguarding your personal information. By following these steps and utilizing the features and support provided by CyberScout, you can effectively configure your identity theft insurance and enjoy peace of mind knowing that your personal and financial information is being protected. Remember to stay vigilant and proactive in monitoring your accounts and credit reports to prevent and respond to any potential identity theft incidents.